Black seed oil is derived from black seeds, also known as Nigella sativa or Kalonji. It is a dark black-colored seed that belongs to Ranunculaceae family. It has a strong smell and strong taste. Some people consider black seeds as onion seeds, which is not true. Onion seeds look like black seeds, but they taste sour, and it has no smell. Black seed oil is the cure for all diseases except death. Black seeds are usually consumed in the form of oil. Today, we will share with you some great health benefits of black seed oil, which can cure many diseases at the ease of your home. Headache is a widespread problem that everyone faces, regardless of their age and gender. Headaches are usually caused due to stress and tension, but don't worry, this problem can be cured with black seed oil. Put 1 drop of black seed oil in your nostrils and rub, it will cure the pain very quickly. But if you want a permanent cure, add 10 drops of black seed oil in half-cup water and drink it for 1 month, headache and migraine will go permanently. Black cumin seed is anticonvulsant, in addition to many other effects. A significant chemical in black cumin seed is thymoquinone, which is anticonvulsant in rats. It was more potent against seizures than the valproate. The water extract of black cumin seed is very effective. Put 1 drop of black seed oil in your right nostril, next day put it left nostrils. Besides this, add 10 drops of black seed oil in 1 tablespoon of honey and drink it. Carry on this process for 2 months daily, and you will see some great results. Black seed oil is very healthy for diabetic patients, and it can decrease insulin resistance. Take 6 teaspoons of black seed oil 3 times daily. You can take 2 times the morning, 2 in the evening, and 2 at night. Try to take it with meals so it can digest properly. Take half teaspoon of butter, half teaspoon of sugar, and add 12 drops of black seed oil and eat daily in the morning empty stomach. In 1 month, your brain will become sharp, and you will feel energetic. This is the best remedy to boost your brain power. Mix 12 gm of flax seeds in half a cup of water and boil it. When the water is half left, separate the boiled water from flax seeds and add 15 drops of black seed oil and 2 teaspoons of honey and drink it. Repeat the process for 3 days. You will be shocked to see that your cough is gone completely. Black seed oil is the best remedy for asthma and bronchial infection. Mix 5 parts of olive oil with 1 part of black seed oil and rub the mixture onto your chest. One more method is to boil the mixture on the stove and inhale the vapors, which will break up the mucus in bronchial tubes. Black cumin seed oil is an amazing food that has been used for thousands of years for its ability to support health naturally. As always, please check with a doctor before taking this or any substance, especially if you have a medical condition or are pregnant. Stay tuned for more updates.